Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's talk about a new refrigerator that I purchased a few weeks ago. And this is sort of an internet connected refrigerator, and it has a 21.5-inch screen, and you can even control it with your smartphone. So let's have a closer look at the same now. So guys, this is the new Samsung Space Max Family Hub refrigerator. As you can see, it's side by side. Over here we have water dispenser, ice, crushed ice. I'll show you all that. And here, if you look at it, this one has a 21.5-inch screen. Actually, we can do a lot of things. I'll show you that. And we also have a speaker over here. So we have that voice integration with Bixby. And again, if you open this one, as you can see, here is your regular refrigerator. And one thing I like is that I'll show you that a little bit later. We have water storage over here, and you just fill in and you'll get cool water from here. And again, this entire portion is the deep freezer. Here we have a lot of stuff that we are storing these days. So here it is, and I would say the finish looks very classy on this one. And you might be wondering, what can we do with this one? So let's have a closer look at this screen and what can we do with it. So guys, as you can see, this is the screen. It's actually a 21.5-inch screen that we are having. It's a full HD screen, and you can have your widgets and stuff. For example, we have put the time over here, and you can have whatever you want. Again, it's a touch screen, as you can see, guys. And if you move towards this, it gives you an overview about the fridge, the current temperature outside. Yeah, again, everything is touch based, and you can adjust the temperature and all those things. You can switch on ice making or not. That will be reflected over here. Let's just go back, and again, you also have, as it's a smart fridge, it even has a browser. In fact, if I go over here, if I flick it from this home screen, if I flick down, you get all the apps. You can again go over here, adjust the brightness, speaker volume, all those things. As you can see, these are the apps that are actually pre-installed on this one. In fact, also has Spotify, TuneIn Radio, Gaana. In fact, it also has a speaker over here. And let me quickly give you a demo. You can play back actually music on this. I can just search what I want. Let's say I want to play something by Coldplay. I just say Coldplay, and I search. It will search. Again, it's connected via your internet. As you can see, got a bunch of radio stations. So I'm just going to click something, and it will start streaming, as you can see. So you can play and can go pretty loud actually, as you can see. So again, you can use this. You can even cast what stuff you have on this one. Let's just get out of this one. And as you can see, bunch of apps are there. And if I go over here, you can also actually have smart view. What is being on your television, you can cast it over here also. Again, you have bookmarks. These are actually widgets. You can place it what you want. And you also have, of course, the fridge manager, using which, as I showed you, you can adjust the temperature and all those things. You go back over here. One interesting thing is that this also has a camera built in. So if I do this two-finger swipe from here, I have to do it quickly. As you can see, you can actually see what's there inside the fridge because it has a camera. In fact, there is a app also. You can see it on your smartphone also. So and this is actually intelligent. Let's say some vegetables and stuff, it's there. It'll analyze what is there, and in fact, it'll actually pop up some recipes over here. So again, it does kind of smart recipes based on what is there inside your fridge. Again, this is the view inside, as I've shown you that. Again, that double inside the fridge, and you can even mark, let's say, a food list. You can add what is there, and again, let's say something is there. Let's say some cheese is going to expire 30 days. When you put it, you can put it here. So you have a list and all this thing. Again, you can do all the stuff like timers and all these things. It also has Bixby integration, so voice integration is there. Let me give you a demo. Hi Bixby, what's the weather?
It's hazy and 28 degrees right now.
And you can, of course, I would say you can even set timers via voice and stuff like this. And this is pretty handy in the kitchen. You can start a timer, you can pause it and all those things. You can also invoke it via a voice. So again, you have all this integration, smart integration with this one. And there is also a sensor, guys. This display is not always on. Whenever but you come near the fridge, there is a sensor and it automatically lights up and shows you the information. And what we liked about this one is the dashboard. And we can leave notes on this one. For example, I leave notes on this one. For example, if I go to memo over here, this is my favorite. Don't wake me early in the morning. So if my wife sees this, she does not wake me up. So we can actually add stuff like this. This is completely customizable. You can add a lot of things. You can draw stuff over here. So again, as you can see, you can do a lot of things on this one. So completely customizable. You can move around. You can see, as you can see. So again, another thing that I liked is that the interface is very, very smooth, and it also has a built-in web browser. So let's say some recipe and stuff is there, you can actually just go here, and as you can see, I loaded some of my videos, and you can just search for recipes and whatever, you can view it from here directly. So guys, as you can see, we also have a water dispenser over here, and of course if I press this, water will come. But again, we have other two options also. If I press this, now it will actually give me ice cubes. As you can see, ice cubes. And we also have an option of crushed ice. I was using that earlier, and now it will actually give me crushed ice. So again, as you can see, you get all this. Again, I'll just put it back to water. So guys, the problem with these water dispenser is that many other fridges also have it, but you have to do plumbing, etc., and get a water connection to make it work. But what I liked with this specific model is that, as you can see, you just fill in the water over here. Here is the reservoir, and again, cold water comes there, and the ice also gets made. So again, we did not have to do plumbing or anything to get the water dispenser working. So I really like this functionality, and you can just fill in water from here, and you can also drag this out. So I really like this functionality. It makes it actually usable without doing any hanky-panky stuff like plumbing. And guys, this has an auto ice maker, so you don't have to worry. Actually, ice is automatically made, and it actually gets stored over here, and you don't have to worry about it. It auto manages all that. So always when we wanted ice, or that crushed ice is always there. It constantly keeps making it. It has a sensor and puts here, and when you use here, it gets dispensed from here. And guys, you can mirror what's on your smartphone to the refrigerator screen. For example, let's say we want to send this, it can be a video or anything also, and you go to the gallery, and here in the smart view, you have to just click this refrigerator, and you have to press start now, and of course you have to allow that permission on the refrigerator, and now in a couple of seconds it should connect. And as you can see, it's over there. Now if I move it over here, it actually is mirroring what's there on our smartphone. So as you can see, I'm just going to disconnect this. You can disconnect. Again, you can play videos also, whatever. We also have another app, that's the SmartThings Samsung app. And using that, actually you can do a lot of things on this refrigerator. If I go down, as you can see, it's over here. And you can see the temperature. You can adjust the temperature directly, and you can do this remotely. Let's say you're sitting in your office, you can adjust the fridge, power, cool, ice maker, switch on and off. You can in fact even see what's inside the fridge over here, as you can see. So you have a lot of options, and in fact I like this option. If I go over here, I can go to the energy monitor, and here I can see how much power consumption in units this refrigerator is doing, and gives you graphs like weekly, daily, and all those things. So you have this. And again, we also have this complete family hub experience. There's a full-fledged app that you have, and here again you can set up all your apps, do stuff over here, and you can go to the family hub, and this is your dashboard. You can actually put in whatever you want over here. For example, I can put this "don't wake me" over here. So you have all these customization using this smart app. And guys, regarding the cooling is actually really good thanks to the inverter compressor that we have on this one. Actually, I believe, if I recall, Samsung gives 10 years warranty on the compressor of this refrigerator, and the cooling is really fast, and specifically the capacity of this specific model is 657 liters. So guys, what do you think about the Samsung Space Max Family Hub refrigerator? Definitely it's a smart internet connected refrigerator, I would say, with a lot of features. Actually pretty happy with the same. But anyways guys, what do you feel about this kind of a video? It's a very different kind of a video. Do let me know what do you feel about the same. Anyways guys, what I'll do is I'll leave the links for this product in the description below so that you can check it out. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. And guys, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Anyways guys, take care.